Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F04 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So if you want to switch your keyboard dictionary, you have to open, for example, new message or any other area where you can input some text. Let me go to messages. And now once you start the conversation, you can see your current keyboard. To switch it, just tap on settings icon. Now click on languages and types. And here select manage input languages. Here choose the one that you want to apply. Switch off the language that you want to get rid of. Go back, or actually just open recently used apps to see messages. Wait a couple of seconds. Okay, so let me just switch it off and open messages one more time once the change is applied. Where is our search area? Okay, so actually even there you will be able to notice it, but let's open messages. Actually here we're still waiting for the update. But I believe you noticed it here. It has been already changed, so messages just need a few more seconds. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.